Song number 33, Karate Chop on page 12. We are utilizing the notes we learned on the D string, which are open D, first finger E, sounds like this. Then second finger F sharp, high 2 with your middle finger, sounds like this. All right, D, E, and F sharp. Let's get started. Karate chop, after 4 beats, please. I have my fingers ready, hovering over the D string. My thumb is pointing up toward the ceiling. I have my imaginary egg, which allows me to have a small hole underneath my thumb. My bow hold is ready. Place my bow on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Second finger F sharp. Rest. A string. Hold for 2 beats. Second line. Rest. Second finger. Rest. First finger. Rest. Hold for 2 beats. Let's do this piece one more time. I'm going to turn my ankle like this so you can watch my fingerings. The tricky part about this piece is that you're going to cross strings from the D string to the A string right here. Second finger F sharp on the D string. Then you have an entire quarter note rest right here where you can cross your bow to the A string. All right, so here we go again. After 4 beats, please, in playing position. 1, let me change my angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. First finger. Rest. Second finger. Cross to the A string. 3, 4. Full bow, please. Rest. Cross to this. Rest. First finger. D. 3, 4. Then you stop. And then put your violin down. Again, please make sure you're crossing strings from second finger D string to the A, and then back here. You're on the A, you have an entire quarter note rest to go back to the F sharp. Let me demonstrate. So after 3 A's, rest, I'm crossing my bow. You see I'm on the A string, you go to the D string, and you must have your second finger F sharp ready. F sharp and cross, like that.